Mastering your academic portfolio. NURS, 6003 strategies. Are you ready to elevate your nursing career? The NURS 6003 course offers essential strategies for crafting an academic portfolio. A well-designed portfolio can differentiate you in the competitive healthcare field and connect you with Walden University's mission for impactful education. Begin by clearly defining your short and long-term professional goals. Reflect on how these align with your academic pursuits at Walden University. Establishing this foundation enables you to tailor your portfolio, showcasing your strengths and aspirations while advancing your career in nursing thoughtfully and effectively. Networking is key. Identify influential individuals and groups within the nursing field who can support your journey. Engage with them through platforms like LinkedIn, fostering professional relationships that open the door to new opportunities, mentorship, and career advancement. Maximize the use of digital tools and platforms to enhance your professional presence. Creating a standout LinkedIn profile and joining professional organizations not only expands your network, but also demonstrates your commitment to growth and innovation in the nursing field. Now is the time to act. Start building your academic portfolio today using these strategies. Embrace the tools, stay engaged with your peers, and continuously refine your portfolio. Your effort today sets the stage for a fulfilling and successful nursing career. Dive in and make your mark.